Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Porchy Tech. So today I have another exciting unboxing video for you guys. So what I have today is the iPad 7th gen, and this is the gold, rose gold, and we have this in the 128 gigabytes, as you can see here, iPad 7th gen. All right, so just picked this up today for my daughter. So this is the iPad 7 gen. This is the 10.2 inch screen, and we have this in rose gold, as I mentioned before. But before I get into this unboxing, guys, please head on down below, hit that subscribe button, turn that notification bell on to get notified as soon as I have another upload on this channel. Okay, so without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and start unboxing this video right here. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead, pop this in. Sorry, see if I could get a little rip right here to rip the box open. Put this plastic away, and let's get into the box right here. Here we go. Let's get this out. So we have the box right here. Now it's open, so let's get into the fun stuff right here. So typical stuff, we have the power brick right here that comes with the iPad. This is an 18-watt charger. This is a 12-watt USB adapter, but more than likely I'm gonna use my iPhone charger, which is the charger for my 11 Pro Max, which is 18 watts instead of 12. So it's gonna charge this a little bit faster, you know, because it has a pretty big battery inside, and it's gonna take a while to charge with the 12 watts. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my iPhone 11 Pro Max charger to do the charging on this iPad right here to get it charged a little bit faster. So we have this iPad 7th gen. This has the 10.2 inch screen, and this is the latest model iPad they have. As far as the basic iPads, pretty much they have newer ones, which is the Pro iPad Air, and the Air I think is newer for the 2020 that came out. This is a 2019 iPad 7th gen. So the previous one was the iPad 6th gen, which had the 9.7 inch screen, and this has 3 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of storage. All right, as shown on the box previously. And what else do we have here? We have a little package here with some stuff, manuals, we have stickers. I'm sure we should have that here somewhere. Yeah, here we have them, the stickers. Put that aside. Typical stuff that comes in the box with the Apple iPad and the iPhones as well. So I have the charging brick. I'm gonna go ahead and put that back inside the box here. We have the charging cable right here, and I think that's pretty much it for what's inside the box. All right, so let's go ahead and see if we had got a little juice in this battery here. Try to power this on. Here we go, it's booting up. And just to show you, I have another one of these iPads for my other daughter here. So this one is the rose gold, and I have a silver. So you can see the difference in the colors here. Just in case you're trying to decide which color you should get, you could pretty much look at this and decide for yourself which one you want to go with. All right, so hopefully this helps you out in deciding the color you should go with, or if you were stuck between trying to choose which color you should get, you pretty much could see the difference here in the colors, and this should make your decision easier. All right, so these are the colors, how they look. Pretty nice. All right, pretty much they're the same thing. So let's go ahead, have this one on the setup screen. Let's turn this over. We got English. I'm gonna do like a quick setup on this one so we could get to the home screen. All right, we're gonna pretty much I'm just gonna connect to the Wi-Fi for now. Let's go here. Boom. Join. Alright, so I'm connecting to the Wi-Fi here. I'm just gonna skip through all the settings and go to the home screen really fast, just so we can see the home screen. Alright, so again, this is the iPad 7th gen. Alright, this is the I'm gonna set up all this later. Don't use passcode. I'm gonna go through this pretty quick and get to the home screen. All right, let's go through this. Boom. Continue, set up later in settings, boom. We're gonna use the light theme for now. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, so there we go. So we are at the home screen, as you can see. Typical home screen that's on all the iPads here. Nice keyboard, nice layout. So this is the 7th gen iPad unboxing. Let's see the software that comes on this. I'm pretty much sure it needs to be updated. Yeah, there we go, it needs to be updated, but I'm not gonna do this as yet. I'm actually gonna reset this iPad and do another setup so I can transfer the stuff from an older iPad to this one. Alright, so you see the storage here. I got the 128 gigabytes, shows 11.23 gigs used so far. That's for the system software and the apps that are shipped on this device. So pretty much think that's it for the unboxing. This, if you can check on my channel. I pretty much did a comparison between this, the 7th gen and the 6th gen iPad, and you could see the difference in the RAM, because this has 3 gigabytes of RAM and the 6th gen has 2 gigabytes, and it pretty much makes a difference in the RAM. So you can go ahead and check that out, check that video out. It would help you out a lot if you're pretty much stuck between getting a 6th gen and a 7th gen. And yeah, just check that out and you could see the difference in the performance between the 7th gen and the 6th gen. Alright, so as far as storage, is pretty much the same. I'm gonna go ahead and reset this. Erase. So I'm gonna do all this, set it back up, and then I'm gonna do a transfer from an older iPad. So here's another look, guys. The silver compared to the gold. Alright, so hopefully this video helps you out. That was the unboxing. There's not pretty much a lot of stuff to show you on that one. So hope you enjoy this video. Hope the color comparison helps you out if you're trying to choose which color you should go with. Alright, and yeah, hopefully you have enjoyed this video. Okay, again, remember to head on down below, hit that subscribe button, turn that notification bell on to help this channel grow. Alright, thank you for watching again. Peace.